What is the best side hustle business? Folks, if you're looking for a side hustle business where you can generate extra income anywhere, mainly from home, and I'm talking about high ticket commissions here, guys, whilst working from home, right? Commissions that are paid in the multiple thousands, anywhere from say 1K to tens of thousands for a funded deal. I'll talk more about that in a second. If you're looking for that side hustle business that can often pay you more than your full-time job, well, this is the best side hustle business for you, I promise you. And it's a big statement, I know, right? But I don't make statements like that unless I can actually back them up with some facts and some proofs. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through and talk about business loan brokering and why it's one of the best side hustle businesses that you can actually get into, and why it's actually worth considering it if you're looking for a very simple, low-cost side hustle business that you can do from anywhere, ideally from home, with zero experience. Folks, my name is Gavin and I'm CEO and co-founder of a company called ProCommerce Broker University in the United States. And I'm here today to discuss exactly why business loan brokering is indeed the best side hustle business that you can get into. So simple. Now, whilst getting paid high ticket commissions, working from home was actually the primary reason that I got into doing this, there are actually lots of other more practical reasons to consider this business too. So stay tuned, because if you're one of those out there that are seriously looking for a genuine opportunity for a side hustle business, you will want to know what I'm about to share with you. Now, if you're anything like I used to be, or like the many of folks that I actually get to meet regularly, you're always looking for ways to make some sort of extra income on the side, right? And the past couple of years, I think, have put really into motion one of the biggest paradigm shifts in the work from home industry because of that big C, right? With a plethora of get rich quick while you sleep or sit on the toilet type programs being peddled out there all over YouTube. It's so easy to get confused. And if it's any consolation, guys, you're really not alone. Unfortunately, though, the sad truth is there's way too much hype out there, and it's often hard to cut through that. And we find ourselves chasing all these sort of shiny objects, shiny ways of making money online. And mostly we get nothing from it apart from an empty bank balance or often more debt that we really do not need. So the bottom line here being that most will never find their golden opportunity, unfortunately, but it really doesn't have to be that way. And this is why I wanted to share this video, because it brings me to the topic of this video. I'm going to give you 7 reasons why considering loan brokering as your viable side hustle could actually end up being the very online business that finally gives you time and financial freedom. And if you really hate your job, guys, it will also give you the ability to simply leave it and do loan brokering full time. That's exactly what I did. And folks, if you're someone who's interested in finance, say, businesses or real estate, but just haven't found a way to break into those markets, then this is definitely the perfect opportunity for you. Okay then, enough about all of that. Let's dive in. So reason number 1, guys, is freedom. Freedom. Okay, so you need that extra money to cover bills or to save for that much needed car or vacation, as an example. Maybe you want to establish a college fund for your grandchildren or even your children. Whatever it is, if you're like most people out there with full-time jobs, you are already spending about 1/3 of your life or more working at a job. And what does job stand for? Just over broke. Is that familiar? By taking on a second or even just a part-time job, you can actually end up working away 2/3 of your life in the name of covering just your bills, just to survive. And life is just too short as it is, guys. Why would you want to give more of your time and your freedom away to a second job? Not only that, but there is no long-term benefit to that type of strategy, as most people often become frustrated and even resentful of the additional demand on their time, and even end up giving up that second job because it's just not sustainable in the long term, and then go back to struggling financially again. And it's just this vicious cycle, one I'm sure that you may even be familiar with yourself, guys. And it's really no secret, right, that working from home actually comes with a lot of perks. And mainly, you have this freedom and flexibility just to set your own hours and really just take control of your work schedule, answering to nobody else. Now, you'll always be able to balance work with other aspects of your life, because Well, you'd have the flexibility to work whenever you wanted and wherever you wanted. That's a major plus point. The fact is, business loan brokering actually provides the easiest and fastest and least demanding means to achieve those income goals, while also providing you with the avenue which you can actually match or exceed the income that you currently earn in your regular day job. There are very few, if any, part-time or second jobs that can have that kind of life-changing potential, guys. Number 2, experience. You don't need it. That's absolutely right. You do not need any experience or even specialize or any formal education to be a business loan broker working from home. Restaurant workers, guys, municipal employees, factory workers, dentists and chiropractors, even dog groomers are some of the folks that we've trained in our program, and they've become successful loan brokers, all starting out working part-time from home. The best part is it doesn't require any extensive training or study to learn this stuff. Really, nothing at all. With the right platform, tools and resources, combined with real life coaching and support from people that actually do it, you can actually learn enough within a week or two to actually just get started and start seeing some results. Reason 3, service. You're going to be providing a valuable and much needed service to real estate investors or business owners while helping them grow their own businesses so they can achieve their own goals. The demand for funding, guys, is absolutely huge. Just think about it. A real estate investor essentially cannot make money unless they get funding for their projects. A fix and flip as an example. A business owner, especially in these trying times, is often desperate for funding just to survive. There is no shortage of folks out there that need funding, and that's funding that you would actually provide access to. And there lies the high ticket commissions that I talked about earlier on in the video. It's just a numbers game, guys, honestly. Reason 4, the marketplace itself. As a business loan broker working from home, your marketplace isn't limited just to your town or your state or any of your local area. Your territory consists of the entirety of the United States, all 50 states. You could be having a conversation with a real estate investor in Oregon in the morning, right? And then in the afternoon, you're chatting with another real estate developer or business owner in Florida. It's mad. With that kind of pool to draw from, you'll never run out of potential customers, guys, ever. Again, folks, this is just a numbers game. Stack those numbers and you will make money. No reason you don't. So reason number 5 then is this is a recession-proof business. The fact is real estate is always on the move, right? Someone is always going to be buying or selling or renting it. The real estate investors understand and they need the power of leverage. That's where funding comes in. They need your services. Today, the demand for affordable housing is the highest that it's ever been. More and more people are finding it harder to buy, right? And more convenient then to rent homes than to actually purchase those homes. Just watch the homes going up for sale just around your local neighborhood right now and see how fast they are actually selling. Again, by becoming a business loan broker in the investment real estate markets, you'll never run out of clients or income opportunities, even in a recession, ever. Reason number 6, growth potential. The potential for personal growth as a business loan broker is actually unlimited. You could very easily turn this side hustle into a full-time job, as lots of people do. And quickly, I might add. Not only that, but you could build a team of brokers working for you, literally duplicating your efforts while scaling your income. The opportunities here are actually boundless and limited only by our own imaginations. And finally, reason number 7. This is the best side hustle out there. Wealth creation. The income potential available to you as a loan broker working from home is exponential. As an example, if you are currently earning, say, $60,000 a year, you could easily match that income working part-time from home with just 1 or 2 deals funding a month. Very low numbers, and it's all obtainable, and that's even a conservative objective. Loan brokers generating on average 3 to 5 deals a month are comfortably enjoying 6-figure incomes, comfortably. And they're not grinding away sun up to sun down doing this stuff. The key is knowing how to work smart at this And here again, it all goes back to choosing the right platform with all of the right tools and resources, combined with the coaching and mentoring from folks that actually do this stuff to just show you how it's all done. So there you have it, guys. 7 compelling reasons that commercial loan brokering is the best side hustle business to get into, so as to develop a source of income and begin to finally enjoy financial and personal freedom that you desire and deserve. Because, well, to be frank, guys, we all bloody deserve it. It is not just for others. It's for you guys too, if you're interested. And if you want to learn more about this, we do have a program designed to help you do just that. And in the description, you're going to find a link to access a free training where you can learn exactly how we do what we do and how you can learn to do exactly the same thing. And if you want to watch, if you want to speak to us after that, you can book a call. With all that said, I hope you found this helpful, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks so much.